It's me again, it's Miss Erin. I brought you another book today. It's one of my favorites again. My truck is stuck. That's our title. And the authors are Kevin Lewis and Daniel Kirk. But first, I want to go over some vocabulary we're going to find in the book. The first one is bone. Bone. What animals like to chew on bones? The next one is dogs. Dogs. I love dogs. Do you love dogs? There are all kinds of dogs, big and little. The next one is a vehicle. It's called a dump truck. And another vehicle called a tow truck. Oh, another type of animal that is in our book are called prairie dogs. And our last vocabulary word is a pothole. That's a big hole that you find in the road that cars and trucks, sometimes bikes might get stuck in or go make a big bump when you are driving across it. All right, are you guys ready to go? Let's start reading. Look at that dump truck. It is full of bones. Oh, still full, but I see 1, 2 bones that have fallen. You see them? 1, 2. Dump truck coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a great big load. That means it's full. Round and round the wheels they roll, round and round. There's our clue. Do you see it? Oh. Into a hole. That's our pothole. Remember? It's our pothole. I see the prairie dogs. That's another one of our vocabulary words. They're there. They are taking the bones. Rotten luck. Can't go. My truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engine roars, but the truck won't go. Not 1 inch more. Oh. Help! Help! Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Help! Please help! Beep, beep! Here comes a car full of travelers traveling far. Rotten luck! Can't go, my truck is stuck. There's a prairie dog. And there's a prairie dog. Tug and tow. 2 engines roar. 1, 2. But the truck won't go. Not 1 inch more. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my truck go? Beep, beep! Here comes a van driven by a moving man. Rotten luck! Can't go. My truck is stuck. Oh, the prairie dogs. Drag and draw and tug and tow. 3 engines roar. 1, 2, 3. But the truck won't go. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my truck go? Beep, beep! Here comes a Jeep up a hillside, very steep. Steep. That's like climbing stairs. They are steep. Rotten luck! Can't go. My truck is stuck. Heft and haul, tug and tow. 4 engines roar. 1, 2, 3, 4. The truck still won't go. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a bus. Oh, full of youngsters. What a fuss. Rotten luck. Can't go. My truck is stuck. Look at all of those prairie dogs. They sure do like the bones. Lug and lurch, tug and tow. 5 engines roar, the truck won't go. Honk, honk. No need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Oh, look, there's our tow truck. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure, to move it on its way, just hook it up and then you'll say, what luck! My truck's not stuck! Look at the truck. Is it empty or is it full? Oh, vroom, vroom! Now car and van and jeep and bus all move on without a fuss. And the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver a great big load. Who has the bones now? The prairie dogs or the truck? This truck looks empty. This truck looks full. Thanks for joining me. Tomorrow we'll have another story. Can't wait to find another one to read to you guys. Have a good day. Bye.